So one question here is whether we want to actually modify the filtered HTML text format to include the image tag, knowing that all of the users on our site can use it and can then embed their own image tags, or if maybe we want to create a new text format that loosens up the restrictions a bit to add that image tag and simply allow the users on our site that are going to be editing our content to use that format. Let's go ahead and go that route so we can go through the steps of creating a new text format. So I'm not going to save any of our changes here. And let's go ahead and bump back up to the text formats page by clicking text formats in the breadcrumbs. And let's click add text format at the top of the page. Okay, let's go ahead and give this the name of site editor. Notice that a machine name is being built for us, but we can change that if we want to. Let's go ahead and leave that as is. And for roles, let's go ahead and leave administrator clicked and then check guide. So these are the two roles that will be manipulating content on our site, at least so far. And then I'm going to scroll down. And let's go ahead and mimic the filtered HTML setup for enabled filters. Let's check limit allowed HTML tags. And notice that when we did that, it added this item to the filter settings. If we uncheck it, you see that it removes that item from the filter settings section. So we'll keep that checked. We'll check the convert line breaks into HTML. We'll check the convert URLs into links and also the correct faulty and chopped off HTML. We'll go ahead and leave the filter processing order as is for now, and we'll come back and edit it if we run into any problems. And then under the limit allowed HTML tags, we have our defaults that were set for the filtered HTML input as well. And let's go ahead and add our image tag here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click Save Configuration. And we now have our new text format.